Hello friends, welcome back to okayjava. Guys, in this video we'll talk about one of the very important interview question. So guys, in this video we'll discuss how can we write lambda expression to sort, list, set or map. So guys, these days interviewer will ask you either sort an array list or a set or a map by using lambda expression, right? So in this video I will explain how can we sort an array list, a set or a map by using lambda expression. Alright guys, so that being said, let's begin the video. Alright guys, first of all we'll look at the array list. Alright guys, here we are. I'm going to create a class. Let's call it sort array list using lambda expression. I want to have main method. Alright guys, so first of all what I will do, let me just quickly go ahead and create a list, an array list. Okay, so list of, say for example, string values. I'll call it a list equals to new array list of type string values. I'm going to have, let's go and import java.util.list java.util.array list. Okay, so let's go and add some element into our list. So I'm going to add like very common values. So guys, I have added 6 elements in our list. Okay, so let's go and print the original list. Okay, now guys, so without using lambda expression, I want to sort list in the ascending order, right, or natural sorting order. So what I can do, I can use collections dot sort. There is a function and here I can pass our list. Okay, so let's see the behavior now. Sorted plus list. Okay guys, so basically I've used the sort function from the collections. Okay, right click, run as Java program. So guys, initially we had values like 1 2 3 4 5, right? That was not in any order, but now here you can see we have got in the alphabetical order, F F O S T T. Okay, so now guys, to sort our list in descending order, what I can do is I'm going to call a function called collections dot reverse, and here I'll pass our list as it is. Okay, now I'll just sys out the list. I'll print the list here. Let's see the behavior. So guys, here we have got our list in the reverse order. Okay, basically to sort our list of elements we can use the sort function. Okay, and to print our list in a reverse order or in descending order we can use the reverse function, but interviewer won't ask you this thing. Guys, interviewer will ask you to print the list using Java 8 lambda expression. Okay, so guys, what I will do for now, I'll just remove everything. So this was just to give you a quick demo how can you sort a list of elements, but now I will see how can we use lambda expression. Okay, I'm going to have a list of integers. I'm calling it list only, new array list of type integer values. Guys, let's go and add couple of elements in our list. Alright guys, now how can we sort? Say for example, I'm calling collections dot sort function, which we just now used, right? So if I use sort as it is, it will print the list of elements in natural sorting order. Okay, natural sorting order. So if I run, one second, let me just sys out our list. So we have called the sort function. So sort function sort the elements in natural sorting order. So what do you see? 0 5 10 15 30, right? But that is not what our idea. Interviewer will ask you to sort the list of elements in reverse order or in descending order, right? So guys, what I can do is, without using lambda expression, what I can do is collections dot sort. What do you see here guys? Second function here. So we need to pass list and a comparator. Okay, so what I will do, I will pass our list. Now here we have to pass a comparator. Okay, so guys, for that what I will do, we'll go and create a class. Let's call it class my list comparator. Okay, implements comparator is an interface, guys. Okay, so let's go and import. Okay, so we have got integer values e1 and e2. So guys, to sort, now what I can do is I can write the logic. So the logic is, if e1, if the first element is greater than e2, if the first element is greater than the second element, then return -1. Okay, if the first element is greater than second element, return -1, because we want to sort our list in descending order. Okay, else if e1 is greater than e2, if first element is greater than the second element, return 1. Okay, else both the elements are same, are equal, then we can return 0. this is the simple implementation of compare function. We are comparing these two values. So if E1 is greater than E2, return -1. If E1 first element is less than, if first element is less than second element, then return 1, else return 0. Okay guys. So guys, here what we have to pass in this, new and the object of my list comparator. Here what I will do, I will pass like this. Now guys, let's go and check the output. So guys, what do you see? We have got our list sorted in descending order. To sort our list in descending order, we have used the comparator interface. So this comparator interface provides function called compare, and here we have provided the implementation. Okay, so guys, this is nice. But again, our intention is to sort the list by using lambda expression. Now guys, if you see here, comparator, right, is a interface having only one abstract method, compare. Okay, so this particular interface has got only one abstract function, compare. So that's why this particular interface is functional interface. Okay, so guys, wherever we have a function interface, we can use lambda expression to provide the implementation of the function. Okay guys, so interviewer will ask you to provide the implementation by using lambda expression. So what I will do now, this time guys, we'll go and we'll write the lambda expression. Now guys, in case if you do not know how to write the lambda expression, what you can do is, guys, you can watch this video. So this video contains all about lambda expression. Guys, let's go and do one thing. This entire implementation I can write in one sentence, right, by using ternary operator. Okay, I'll show you how come. Return. So guys, E1 is greater than E2 if first element is greater than the second element, question mark, you pass -1. Else if first element is less than second element, then you pass 1, else both of the elements are equal, 0. So guys, basically I have replaced the entire if else statement with the ternary operator. Okay, so now guys, if I go and run our program, I'll still get the same result. Oh sorry, okay, because I commented right, so I have to uncomment and run our program. So what do you see? We have got the same result. Okay guys, so basically we are using the comparator interface to sort our list in a descending order. Now guys, we need to write the lambda expression. So what I will do, because I know that this my comparator is implementing a functional interface, so I can write the implementation of function interface right here only. Okay, so how do we write the implementation of function interface? First of all, we'll pass the elements E1, E2. Here basically we are providing the implementation of compare function, this one, right? So we have passed two elements E1 and E2. Now here I will pass the logic. If E1 is greater than E2, question mark, then return -1. Else if E1 is less than E2, you pass +1, question mark, 1, else 0. Okay guys, so this is the sort implementation. You don't have to have this class. I can comment this entire section like this. Okay, so basically what we did here is, we are using collections.sort function. We have passed our list, and here we have provided the implementation of compare function, implementation of functional interface. Okay, so now guys, if I go and run our program, I still get the same result. Guys, I would say if we have no clue about lambda expression, or how can you convert any function, any regular function into a lambda expression, I would say go and watch the video on the channel. Once you have the basic understanding of lambda expression, it would be very easy for you to understand this particular logic. Alright guys, now we'll work on the set. Okay, so let's go back to the IDE. So guys, let's go and create a class again, and this time I will call it sort set using lambda expression, and I want to have a main method. So guys, what I will do here, I have a set of integer values. Let's call it set only. Guys, here, so I will use new tree set of type integer. Let's go and import. Let's go and add some element. Set dot add say 5, set dot add say 20, and I will add one more. Set dot add say 7. Okay, so guys, we have got couple of elements in our set. Guys, if you see here, set is an interface, and the class which we have used to provide the implementation is tree set. Okay, the nature of tree set is that tree set will store the data in natural sorting order. So natural is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, let's see the outcome. So guys, what do you see? 0, 5, 7, 10, 20, right? So it is sorted in a natural sorting order or ascending order. All right. But guys, interviewer will ask you to write lambda expression. Okay, write lambda expression to sort the set in descending order. This is what the interviewer will ask you. All right, guys. Now let's see how can we do that. So guys, I'll just go back here. Let me just do one thing. Copy paste here. So guys, let's see something. What do you see here? Tree set, right? Here I can pass a comparator interface. Okay. So guys, you know that comparator is what? Is a functional interface. So here I can use lambda expression to sort the set. Okay. How do we write the implementation of compare function? So I have explained just now, right? Here is the implementation that we have got. Compare function, it takes two elements, right? And then here is the logic. I'll just go back here. So guys, here I will pass two arguments, e1 comma e2. So these are the integer values that we pass to the compare function. Okay, here we'll write our logic. If e1 is greater than e2, we want to sort our list in descending order. So as I said, we have written negative value, so -1. Okay, if e1 is less than e2, then pass 1. Okay, if the second value is greater than the first value, then pass 1. Okay, else 0. 0 is both of the values are equal. Okay guys, so what we did here, we have provided the implementation of compare function. Okay, so now if I go and run our program, let's see the outcome. So guys, what do you see? We have got our set in descending order, 20, 10, 7, 5, 0. Okay, so guys, this is how you can write lambda expression to sort the elements of set. If you want to do it regular way, you can write a class here. Like for example, you can write class my set comparator implements what? Comparator interface. Okay, let's go and import java.util.comparator. It will ask you to provide the implementation of compare function. Okay guys, so what I can do is I can simply use this particular implementation ternary operator. Okay, sorry, e1 comma e2. So guys, this is the implementation of compare function. Okay, now if I have to use this particular class to sort, so what I will do is I will just one second copy paste, comment this part, go back here, and here I will use new my set comparator. Okay, the object of this particular class, this one. So this will call compare function. So now guys, if I go and run, I'll get the same result. I'll get 20, 10, 7, 5, 0. All right guys, I hope you guys are getting it right. So guys, this, if I don't use anything, then tree set will sort the set elements in a natural sorting order. I can use the comparator class to sort the elements in descending order, or I can replace the class with a simple lambda expression. All right guys, I hope this is clear. All right guys, moving on. Now next is we have to sort a map, okay, by using lambda expression. All right guys, so guys, we'll do same thing. We'll go and get a new class. Let's call it sort map using lambda expression, and I want to have a main method. Guys, what is a map? Map stores the data in a key value format. So for our example, we are considering key is integer value and value is going to be a string value. Okay, map equals to new tree map I can use, and let's go and import this one first. Key is of type integer and value is of type string. Let's go and import tree map. Okay guys, let's go and add some element. Map dot put is the function. So say key is 1, value I would say 1. Okay, map dot put say 20, and then value I would say 20. Map dot put guys, so I'll key is 5 and then value is 5. Similarly, I'll just go and add few more elements in our list. 10, then values 10 map dot put. If you want, you can add few more elements, but I'm fine for now. Guys, we have used tree map, right? So let's see how it stores the data. Guys, what do you see? 1, 5, 7, 10, 20. So guys, tree map sorts the data in ascending order, in natural sorting order, okay? But guys, as I said, interviewer will ask you to write lambda expression to sort the elements in descending order, of the key. Okay, cool. So guys, what I will do, let me just copy paste everything here and let's call it map2. Okay, fine, right? So guys, here let me show you one more time. Here I can pass comparator. So comparator is functional interface. Okay, so wherever we have a functional interface, we can use lambda expression without any second thought. Okay, so guys, as I mentioned, comparator is a functional interface and it has got only one function called compare. Okay, so the compare function takes two elements as input, E1 and E2. Okay, and then we'll write our implementation. So what is our implementation? If E1, if first element is greater than the second element, then return -1. Else if first element is less than second element, okay, then return +1. Else 0, means both of the elements are equal. Okay guys, now let's go and see the result. So what I will do, I will use sysout reverse or descending order plus map2. Alright, let's run the program. So guys, first one is natural sorting order of the key 1, 5, 7, 10, 20. But the second one here, right? So this one is the reverse order. Reverse order of the key, not by value. Alright guys, I hope I'm making some sense guys. I'm repeating same thing. If you are very new to lambda expression, I would say please go and watch the video on lambda expression. I have already shown you where you can find the video. Okay, once you are familiar with the lambda expression, you can watch this video guys. It would be very easy for you to understand this particular lambda expression once you have the basic understanding of the lambda expression. Alright guys, here we are done with this video. So guys, in this video we have covered how can you sort a list by using collection.sort function or collection.reverse function, or you can write your own class and then implement comparator function. Alright guys, we have also covered how can we sort a set, okay, by using tree set. So tree set sorts the element in a natural sorting order, and if you want to sort the elements in descending order, we can write our own class and implement the comparator function, or we can use the lambda expression that I have explained. Okay, and then finally we have seen an example of map as well. How can we use lambda expression to sort the elements of map by using key? Okay, so according to the ascending order of the keys or descending order of the keys. Because map has got key and value pair, we can sort the map by using the value as well. Ascending order of the values or the descending order of the values, but that will cover in some other video. Alright guys, thank you for watching and bye for now. Please do subscribe my channel.